Client Finder Review and Bonuses. Well, this is the name of the software, Client Finder, which we are going to review in this particular video. And this is another lead generation software. And when I went through this, I found like a lot of new options, a lot of new features are there in this software, which can help you find out the exact customer or the exact lead which you are looking for your business. So there are a lot of lead gen software in the market which do not have the feature that this particular software is having. So this would be a very good software if you are looking to generate lead for your business and services. Well, this has been launched on 26th of July, and this software has a lot of new feature, as I said, a lot of new options which you can try with using this software. And I'll be giving you an in-depth review of this software and a demo as well. Well, before going ahead and providing you, excuse me, in-depth review, let me tell you like what are the bonuses that I'm offering you in case you are buying it using my affiliate link, which is in the description, below the description. So the first bonus which I'm giving you is all the software which was launched by Brendan Mess in 2019. You will be having an access of all those software. It is somewhere around like 19 to 20 software, and which includes a training program as well. So this would really help you going ahead with your digital marketing business or with your affiliate marketing business. So this is definitely a great bonus which I'm giving it for the first time, and you won't find this bonus anywhere. And the second one would be AdSense training. AdSense is nothing but Google Ads. So if you are running a lead gen camp using a lead gen campaign using a Google Ad, then this particular software will definitely, or this particular training, software training will definitely help you how to run Google Ad in the right way, so that you reach out to the right group of people or right set of people who would be really interested with your product and services. And the third one is a training program from Blogging and Traffic Prime. That's what the name of the training program. And if you are running a blog, and you want a regular customer to come to your a regular set of visitor to your blog, and then this particular bonus will definitely help you. I'm sorry about the background noise. And the fourth one would be an Urgency Suite Pro. So this is also a very interesting and a powerful training program. So with this, what you can do is that you can create urgency to the customer, to the set of customer who would be interested or who would be on your page. Because suppose say if a customer comes to your page and he sees your product and services, but he just goes out of the page. In that case, you can show this urgency like this many hours is left, or this is the last product. So what will help is that will help the customer, or that will create urgency, and they will go and like buy it immediately instead of delaying. So this is also important training which would definitely help you with this Client Finder software. And along with these four bonuses, you'll be also getting the vendor bonuses. Whatever bonuses the vendor is giving, that will be also included, and all these will be given to you on the JVZoo page itself. Once you buy it, it will be automatically delivered to you. So these are the bonuses which I'm offering you in case you are buying it using my affiliate link. Now let us go ahead and see like what exactly Client Finder is, how this is going to help you. Well, it says like Client Finder is a breakthrough app that automatically finds laser targeted buyer leads in the most profitable niches across the US. So we know like this particular software or the lead gen is like it's very vital as far as your business is concerned, because you want to know like what are the potential customer who may be who may turn to be a regular customer going forward. So you need always you need to have a set of leads whom you can reach every month or every week or every day, so that you can convert them to a paying customer. So this particular software using artificial intelligence, natural language processing, that is NLP, and ML, that is machine learning. These are the programming languages which is being used by this software. And what it does is that it will search and find ultra-targeted lead. It will experience the combined power of artificial intelligence, natural language, and processing, and ML, that is machine learning. And it's a fully cloud-based software. You don't have to download or install anything. It can save a lot of time of yours. Instead of you going ahead and using other sources to find your leads, you can use this software, and within a span of couple of minutes or couple of hours, it gives you a lot of leads which are highly targeted for your business and services. So there are very simple steps. There are only 3 steps where you can find. You enter your target audiences, which you will be seeing it in the demo video. Suppose say your niche is like social media or online review, then just view businesses that are most likely to buy your services. Result, you will see the result. Once you enter that like that phrase or that keyword, it will give you the set of leads, and from there you can choose like whom you want to contact the client that are most likely to pay for your services. So you can find it through location, niche of business, through their social media profile, through their online review, so Google My Business Status, and through Facebook, Google, and through their website and domain as well. So these are the options where which you can use it, and these are the digital medium on which they will be present. So you will be easily able to find. And the full feature, like you can website through, as I said, like social media, email service provider, ads and marketing, location, GMB status, that is Google Map, and schema, and many more. So what are the advantages of this particular Client Finder software? So as I said, it is being powered by this artificial intelligence, NLP, and machine learning. And these are the latest software or the latest programming languages which helps you to gather your leads who are definitely going to buy your product and services. And as also it helps you to stop trying to sell the wrong person. So if you are reaching out to the person who are not interested in your business, then this particular software will definitely filter out them. So that will help you to save a lot of time and money for yourself. It will boost your conversion and sales simply by contacting only those leads that are mostly likely to buy from you. So you can see like how targeted this particular software is. And this is definitely going to help you if you are looking for lead generation campaign for your business. So what are the upsells, or what are the other software that comes, or upsells that comes along with this Client Finder? You can see like the upsell one is you can get access to unlimited searches and generate unlimited leads, close unlimited. So that is the first upsell, which will cost you $47 as a one time. And the second one is Outreacher. Outreacher is an AI powered and fully automated lead communication system. So you don't need to outreach them, but there is a way by which this software can help you to outreach them. After generating high quality lead, Client Finder, using Client Finder, the next thing is to reach out, convert the lead into customer. This is where Outreacher comes. So you don't need a person to hire who can reach out to this lead, but this software automatically can do that in just 3 clicks. Like you can reach out to those person by sending personal email, generate catchy subject line. So like it is doing end-to-end. This Client Finder is doing an end-to-end job for you, and done for you marketing, digital marketing services. That is also a $67 one time. So if you want to go through that, you can have an endless stream of high quality leads that are ready to pay for your service. Get instant access to 10 blown digital marketing services kit and provide. So you can get this kit if you are interested. And plus you are also getting a special bonus, like 10 done for you animated agency sales videos. So for each of the 10 niches, so there are 10 niches which has been sorted out or which has been shortlisted, and for them you can get 10 done for you animated agency sales video. So that will also help you if you are running an agency. So that is the upsell 3, which is $67. And along with that, you get a reseller right to 6 high quality software apps. So these are the like those upsells. If you think that these are relevant or applicable for your business, you can go for this, and this can definitely help you. So in a nutshell, I think this particular software would be really helpful if you are looking to generate leads on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, to have a set of potential customer going forward when you can sell your product and services, and you can go ahead and like buy it. And this is at a very low fee of $37 only, and that to one time. It's not a monthly or a recurring fee. So this will definitely help you to find out customers or leads for your business. So now let's go ahead and see the demo video, how it works. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you feel like going for it, then please go ahead and click on the affiliate link on the below on the description and get it for yourself. Now let's watch the.
Hey guys, it's Ifiak here, and in the next few minutes of this video, I'm going to wow you with a quick demo of our brand new Client Finder app. Now, Client Finder is the world's most advanced lead generation technology, powered by artificial intelligence, natural language programming, and machine learning. Without any of the big words, Client Finder is a breakthrough app that automatically finds you laser-targeted buyer leads in any niche using AI-assisted deep search and in only 3 steps. Here's how it works. Simply answer a few questions about your business, like the kind of services or products you sell, your niche, your target location, product's price range, etc. And our AI wizard gets to work and conducts an AI-assisted deep search to generate laser-targeted buyer leads that most likely need your services and as such pre-qualified to buy from you. So with this, the era of chasing dead leads or trying to sell the wrong services or products to the wrong businesses is finally over. Now, how cool is that? Take, for instance, this business right here currently has an unclaimed Google My Business listing. So imagine you make contact and then educate them on why it's important to have their GMB location claimed, especially in this era of increased online usage where everybody literally lives online. Once they are sold on the benefits, pitch them on an offer to help set it up for a fee, and boom! What will you call such an offer? I'd call it an irresistible offer, because that will be you selling your customers only what they truly need. This will single-handedly boost your conversion, increase your happy client base, and generate more revenue and profits for your business almost effortlessly. All right, now let me show you how you too can generate such quality leads in any niche and in only 3 steps. Step 1. Add a new project and target your ideal audience by answering just a few questions. Enter the business name, choose the niche you want to target, select target country, select target state or city. Yeah, it's that precise. Enter a brief description of your product or service. Then finally, select the price range of your product or service, and you are good to go. Immediately, the AI wizard gets to work, carries out a deep search to bring out only those businesses and leads in your selected niche that are the most likely to need your help and ready to buy from you. Step 2. View results of businesses that are most likely to buy your services. As you can see, a lot of data has been pulled up about each of the leads generated. Now, these are super relevant information that'll help you properly craft and optimize your offer to fit your client's specific needs. Imagine knowing more about a client's problem than the client himself? Selling and closing will be a breeze. As you can see, you can tell clients that have a website from those that don't. You can even view the website to learn more about the client's business or review the site for possible optimization recommendations. You get the prospect's email address and phone number, detailed advertising data about your lead, and other key information as you can see right here. These deep search results cover location and niche of businesses, their social media profiles, their online reviews, Google My Business status, Facebook and Google Ad Pixels on their website and domain details, and lots more. Plus, they are powered by artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning, ensuring 99.99% accuracy. And finally, step 3. Reach out, close clients, and profit massively. Does the lead have a mobile responsive website? You'd see it right here. If not, you can offer your expertise and get paid. You can even go ahead to check out the website and learn more stuff about the lead. All right, awesome. This one has an ADA compliance widget active. So this means they already understand the importance of being ADA compliant. This makes them an easy sell. So what if you could offer them a better ADA optimization deal? And if a business isn't compliant or doesn't have an optimization widget active, that makes them viable leads for that service tool. Does the website have an active SSL, a custom favicon, etc.? If not, these are all services you can offer for top dollar. Also, you have a detailed analysis of leads that run paid ads. The ad medium identification is done for you across platforms: Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, AdWords. Based on their brand needs and preferences, you could reach out to them with ready-to-use ads. And if they don't leverage paid ads at all, like this business over here, how about you jump in to save the day? Pitch them on a profitable paid advertising schedule and watch them beg to jump on your offer. How cool and easy will that be? Or check out this lead that has a very low social media activity and engagement stat. How about you pitch them on a professional and result-driven social media marketing service? If you were in their shoes, what would your answer be to such an offer? Yes, right? In fact, there's so much you can do with all this data about your prospects. Optimize your offer to fit their need, and once they are sold on the benefits they stand to get, pitch your services and charge them top dollar. It'll be easy peasy. So you see, Client Finder is exactly what you need to start closing super targeted and pre-qualified leads right now. Just imagine having a way to tell what problem your prospect is facing or what services they need even before approaching them. Remember the saying, sell your customers only what they need and not what you want? This is exactly what Client Finder helps you do. It doesn't give you a random list of leads that you have to keep chasing to buy your product as most lead scrapers do out there. Instead, it gives you leads that actually need your help, thereby increasing your chances of selling the deal immediately. Now that's what I call laser-targeted buyer leads. Also, over here, you can use the filter option to further narrow down your lead search. This will make your results even more targeted. For instance, with the filter option, I can decide to filter out leads that already have a mobile-optimized website, or filter out businesses that already have a claimed Google My Business listing. This will leave out only those that are yet to be claimed, which are all potential clients ready to be sold on that service. Now, how cool is that? So after filtering and thinning down your search results, you can decide to export them into a CSV file, or better still, add them to your autoresponder account in only a few clicks. And yes, we have all the major autoresponder service providers integrated right inside the Client Finder app. Nothing beats this, really. Over here, you have the option of running an advanced lead search within the same project. Maybe you decide to target a different niche or a different location. You can decide to go laser targeted again using the filter option and then add only the qualified leads to your list. I'll tell you right now, if you've been struggling to get a footing online, or you seek to double, triple, or even quadruple your results, then what you actually need are buyer leads, nothing more. And that's exactly what Client Finder is offering you today. And if you ever bought any app in the past with agency or commercial rights, whether it's a video app, an SEO or search engine ranking app, a social media or content creation app, a website creation app, whatever it is, then Client Finder is even more perfect for you. Simply find buyer leads using Client Finder and then sell them needed services you can deliver using those apps. In plain words, Client Finder is all you now need to start making money off those numerous purchases. Plus, we are giving out some of our premium software apps as launch special bonuses. So once you get access to Client Finder today, you can start generating buyer leads and use those software bonuses to deliver. Also, you'll get access to a Zero to Profit Agency Accelerator training program. This training workshop will hold you by the hand and walk you through building your own successful agency business from scratch. Just so you know, we'll be paying attention to nitty-gritty details, so even the freshest newbie can get results. And guess what? That's still not all. For a limited time only, we are including a free commercial license to your Client Finder purchase. This means you can either use Client Finder to generate buyer leads for yourself and your business, or you can use it to flag a targeted lead selling agency and charge local businesses top dollar for super targeted leads. Either way, this is a win-win for you. Hurry now to grab your low one-time access today. You've got absolutely nothing to worry about as we are backing this offer with a rock-solid 30 days money-back guarantee. We are saying, get access today. Test drive the app for the next 30 days, and if you aren't blown away by the kind of results you'll get, then we won't be happy to keep your money either. Hurry, now! Lock in your launch special access right away. I can't wait to see you inside the members area. Cheers!